And welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome as well to the folks watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the United States has promised to review the travel advisories on Jamaica, given the country's progress in reducing murders. U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio was speaking during a press conference which formed part of his first official visit to Jamaica. Andrea Chisholm reports.
Bilateral discussions underway between Jamaica and the United States. Among the issues, travel advisories which normally advise U.S. citizens to reconsider travel to Jamaica due to crime.
We did talk about tourism because obviously it's a significant part of your economy, and we pledged we were going to go back and reevaluate the travel advisories as they currently stand. Those travel advisories are designed to American travelers. And I think we need to analyze that and just ensure that the status we're currently in accurately reflects the status quo and takes into account the progress you've already made this year and made last year.
For the January to March 2025 period, Jamaica has seen a roughly 35% decline in murders. Speaking of crime, Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Mr. Rubio addressed a constant problem: gangs and illegal guns.
We reaffirmed our commitment to enhancing cooperation in combating transnational crime, ensuring the collective safety of our citizens, and mutually secured borders. We discussed a global war on gangs, and there is already significant policy alignment with both countries in this regard.
How many of the guns and the weapons that are being used by gangs to commit acts of violence here in Jamaica are purchased in the United States and then shipped here? And we want to commit to doing more to stopping that flow at the same time as we do more to commit to increasing your capacity.
Lottery scammers will be further targeted, and the security forces will have more access to software and other technological developments to help fight crime.
The Jolt Fusion Center that is starting up again, and that's been even further strengthened, that's going to help address lottery scamming. We can announce this synthetics detection equipment for Jamaica's forensic labs. Another counter-gang recruitment program that we seek to launch as a result of our visit here today.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.
And